In this era of artificial intelligence, you can do some tasks that you can't even imagine yesterday. Let's take a look at this video.
I am not a real person. Yes, I am AI generated. You can also create this kind of hyper-realistic AI avatar. Not only that, you can also clone yourself. Yes, you can create a clone of yourself who will able to talk like you. It will copy your face, voice, gestures, and even your talking style. Now to make a video, you don't need to shoot all the time. Just make your clone avatar, insert the script, and your video is ready. If you want to make your own clone avatar, without further ado,
let's dive in. To create my clone avatar, I will use Heygen AI. It's an AI-powered video generator tool, which has a vast library of realistic talking avatars. You can make videos for many use cases including marketing, education, storytelling, and others. You have to just select an avatar, record, upload, or select a voice. After that, select a template or start from scratch, and your video is ready. Heygen has a vast number of AI avatar libraries, including Instant Avatar, Studio Avatar, and Photo Avatar. You can generate your own avatar too. You can generate videos with more than 300 voice models in 40+ languages. You can generate a video script with the help of Heygen custom chatbot powered by ChatGPT. Alright, let's move forward to our video clone avatar creation journey. First of all, open your browser and visit heygen.com. I will put the link in pinned comment. After coming to the Heygen website, click on Get Started for free. Now we have to log in or create a new account. You can create an account with your email account or continue with Google, Facebook, or SSO account. I will go with Google, because it's easier. Alright, after creating your account, you will be on this page, where you will notice the clone avatar of Heygen CEO is talking to you.
The value of Heygen starts from generating avatar videos, and you can do that with just typing text.
Click on the Get Started button from here to move forward. Now you have to give some answers about yourself and your desired use case. Just follow the instructions. It's not so important. After all is set, you will be on the Heygen dashboard. On the dashboard, you will notice some instant avatars. After that, the photo avatar. Here you can create talking photos like DID Studio. Next, on the template page, here you will find some video templates. In the end, with the AI script generator, you can generate video scripts with AI. You can even turn any blog post into a video script. We will discuss it in a separate video. Let's create our clone avatar first. To do this, come to the Instant Avatar tab and click on Free Instant Avatar from here. On the next page, click on the Get Started from here. On the next page, you will find instructions about the avatar cloning. There are two methods. The first one is video instruction. Second one is text instruction. Let's have a look at the instructions. You have to upload at least 2 minutes of footage, use a high-resolution camera, record in a well-lit, quiet environment, look directly into the camera, pause between each sentence with your mouth closed, use generic gestures, and keep your hands below your chest. And you should avoid stitches or cuts in your footage, talking without pauses, changing positions while recording, loud background noise, shadows and overexposure on your face, diverting your gaze or looking around, hand gestures above the chest. Use of pointing censure. If you are still confused, you can watch the video instructions. It's very important. Okay, click on the next step from here. Now we have to upload our reference footage. There are two methods. Upload pre-recorded footage, and the second one is recording with a webcam. My suggestion is to upload pre-recorded footage, because it will give you a better result. Click on Upload Footage from here and then enter your Google Drive link or click on Browse Local File to upload from your device. Upload at least a 2-minute long video according to the instructions. This time I will upload an avatar video created by Fleeky AI.
From mind-blowing image creators that turn your wildest ideas into reality to AI assistants that write your...
After uploading the video footage, you have to confirm the requirements. If your video fulfills the requirements, then click on the checkboxes. Otherwise, re-record the video and upload it again. After that, hit the next button from here. Now to avoid spam, you have to record or upload consent footage. I will upload my consent footage. Now you have to upload or record video footage with this script. Just change the username form here and then generate or record a new video in the same environment. After that, upload the video on Heygen. After uploading the video, review it.
I, David, hereby declare that I authorize Heygen to use the footage of me to build a Heygen avatar and use it in my Heygen account.
If the video is perfect, hit the submit button, otherwise upload or record again. Now your video will upload on the Heygen database. Once the uploading process is completed, click on the Done button from here. Now you can see that AI is starting to clone myself. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our avatar is ready. Now click on the next button, again next, and then get it. Now we can create videos with our own avatar. Click on Create Video, and then select an aspect ratio. This is the video creation page. Now we have to enter our script on the script box. You can upload the voiceover audio or record your voice online. Okay, now come to the script box and enter your script. You can generate your script with GPT also. Just enter your video topics with some details, it will generate the script for you. I will use my own script. After entering the script. Next, here is the voice model library. Here you will find more than 300 models in 40 languages. Our default model is our own clone voice. You can use an external voice generation platform like 11 Labs if you have API access. I will use our default voice. Alright, after all is set, hit the submit button from here. And here it is. Heygen has been started to create our video. It will take some time. Let's fast forward the video. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
I am not a real person. Yes, I am AI generated. You can also create this kind of hyper-realistic AI avatar. Not only that, you can also clone yourself. Yes, you can create a clone of yourself who will able to talk like you. It will copy your face, voice, gestures, and even your talking style. Now to make a video, you don't need to shoot all the time. Just make your clone avatar, insert the script, and your video is ready. If you want to make your own clone avatar, without further ado, let's dive in.
That's a perfect clone avatar. Just amazing. Now to download the video, click on download the original video from here. And our video is saved on our device. Now you can use it on your video. In this way, you can clone yourself and make unlimited face videos without recording. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating your own clone avatar with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!